And welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Jamaica's Cavalier FC went down 1-0 to hosts Robinhood FC in the first leg final of the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup in Suriname on Thursday evening. It was the Jamaican team who enjoyed the better of the early exchanges but failed to punish the hosts. Robinhood would also have their look in at goal, but the scoreline remained at 0-0 heading into the halftime break. Much like they started the first half, Cavalier were again on the front foot in the second half with waves of attacks. But it was Demetrio Andro who scored the all-important goal in the 69th minute for the Surinamese club to put them ahead. Despite coming close, Cavalier were not able to find the equalizer. Now, this was the Cavalier's first defeat in the competition after previously winning 4 of their 6 games, scoring 16 goals and conceding only 4. The second leg final will be played on December 6 at the National Stadium in Kingston. Now, Jamaica's Reggae Boys will be the number 3 ranked team in the CONCACAF region, Jamaica. Argentina remained number 1 in the world, followed by France, England and Belgium, who moved ahead of Brazil, who slipped to 5th. Some cricket news now. The West Indies A went down by 232 runs to host South Africa A on the final day of the second 4-day match at East London. The Caribbean side, who were set a challenging 442 for victory, were dismissed for 209 in their second innings. They had resumed on 134 for 5. Zachary McCaskey top scored with 50 for the West Indians, while Tevin Imlach made 34. Jamaica's Abhijaman Singh made 5. Spinner Dane Payet took 6 for 79 for the South Africans, who leveled the 3-match series at 1-1. The third and final match bowls off on Tuesday, December 5. So scores in the match: South Africa A 298 and 297 for 4 declared. West Indies A 154 and 209. Athletics news now. Dominican Republic sprinter Lugalin Santos has been stripped of his World Junior Championship gold medal and banned for 3 years for age manipulation violations by the Athletics Integrity Unit. Santos, now age 31, won 400-meter gold at the 2012 World Junior Championships in Barcelona. In a statement, the AIU said Santos had admitted to competing in the 2012 Age Group Championships with a passport showing a falsified date of birth, November 12, 1993, when in fact he was born on that date in 1992. Santos, who is also a 2-time Youth Olympic champion, went on to win silver in the 400 meters at the 2012 London Olympic Games. And that's where we leave the track for now, and I am Jermaine. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine, and that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.